Is your roof damaged from a tree falling on it, or regular storm damage, or both, or even just normal wear and tear from your roof aging over the years? Well, if this is something that you're experiencing, please watch the rest of this video. As you can see in the background, our installers are reconstructing the edge of the dormer where a tree had fallen on it a couple weeks ago. And what had happened was lightning struck the tree and it fell directly on the back of the dormer. It also put a hole in this part of the roof here, so we'll be repairing the decking there. It also destroyed the gutter that went along here and some of the soffit. What you see the technician behind me doing is replacing some shingles. This actual home that we're working on. So we replaced the soffit, we replaced the decking, we replaced the gutter, and you see our technician behind us installing new shingles. So yeah, if you could use this service, or if you and your home are experiencing any things like these, we entice you to look us up, check us out, and give us a call. And thank you.